One of the ways I've saved money on birthdays has been by using Facebook Marketplace. Anyone with an active Facebook account can list or buy items with no hidden fees. It's free to use and you can chat with others through Messenger from your local neighborhood. My daughter recently turned 3 and I really wanted to gift her a dollhouse. So I spent about a month or two looking for a dollhouse. I was super patient, and to my surprise, I found 2 awesome doll houses. And with the help of my sister-in-law, she sent me one that she had found, and of course I messaged the lady and we met up. And then the second one is a tree house that you will get to see right here, and I got it discounted, so she listed it for $100 and lowered it to $80 and then sold it to me for $60. And this is the one my sister-in-law sent me. This is a Pottery Barn kids dollhouse going for $20. So I had been messaging this lady back and forth and I picked it up. Now, right here in this clip, I'm actually picking up the Hearth and Hand treehouse, and me and her have been messaging back and forth for like a month, and she was on vacation. She lived in, we actually knew each other because apparently we both were in a fitness group, and I had no idea. So I was okay with picking up the dollhouse, this treehouse at night. And guys, she opened this up and decided that she didn't want it for her daughter. She put everything back in, taped it up, and listed it on Facebook Marketplace. And she said she had it for about maybe a month or 2 up on Facebook and nobody was buying it. And since she's been on vacation for so long, she just couldn't sell it. And so, well, my daughter was super excited to be the one getting this surprise. And so in the morning, I had everything set up for my girl, and she loved both of her gifts. So she got the tree house that was, we got it for $60, and the dollhouse that we bought for $20. So we saved a lot of money. And for this reason, I love using Facebook Marketplace because people will list things that are used and look like new. And when you're on a budget, this really truly helps. Staying on budget is a necessity for so many parents. This is why used treasures are so valuable. Buying and selling used helps parents just like you.